Hey guys, this is Andy with American Jetter. Today I want to show you our 51T series propane version. This unit has dual color engines powered by liquid propane. Use a standard forklift tank for each engine, and we'll crank it up here in a minute, show you how it operates. But on the front here you have the inlet reel. 150 foot of 5/8 hose will fit on this for your inlet. Large toolbox in the front, dual engines as I mentioned, 330 gallon water tank, 2-inch drain. In the back here we have the hose reel, hold up to 500 foot of 1/2-inch hose, and you can upgrade that also if you would like. There's a portable reel here in the back that you can remove with 2 pins and use indoors, or you can actually use it right there where it's positioned too without removing the pins. The hose reel in the back is powered forward and reverse. Has a really strong pulling gear motor. And also has pulse on the hose reel that you can use to help you down longer lines around elbows. Water valve is right here mounted on the reel. You adjust the pressure right here. Clockwise will raise the pressure, counterclockwise will lower it. So let's crank it up and get some water flowing. First off, I'm just going to run one engine, be 10 gallons per minute, and then we'll do 2 engines, 20 gallons per minute. That's 10 gallons per minute. Got 20 gallons per minute. So that's the basics of it. If you guys have any questions, just feel free to give us a call, and I look forward to working with you. Thanks. Have a good day.